Let's see how to easily replace any image background. First of all, go to Window, click on Properties. Under Properties here, you'll find Quick Actions. Expand Quick Action and then just click on Remove Background. And your image background will be removed. Or you can just go to Select, click on Subject, and then your image subject will automatically select. Press Ctrl Z and go to Layers, and here you see your image background remove. Now go to your new background and then unlock the layer and copy the image. Then go to your project and just press Ctrl V to paste your background here. Then you have to move the background layer under the subject layer, and here you can easily increase or decrease your background size just like this. You can also resize your subject just like this. So that's how you can actually replace our photo background.